Welcome. This is Jaime, and I will be guiding you through this pranayama breathwork practice that intends to harmonize your body and mind. Together, we will move through 3 breathing patterns with short breath retentions between each pattern. You may experience tingling or hot or cold flushing during the practice. Know that these sensations are common, and as long as they feel pleasant, then enjoy them. Listen to the cues from your body and modify as needed. If you are pregnant, refrain from retaining your breath and instead take calm, gentle breaths during these periods of the practice. Take some time now to get comfortable in a lying down position. Use pillows or bolsters underneath your knees and head if you wish. Make sure you are warm and use an eye pillow if you'd like. Comfort is key to having the best outcome in this practice, so it is worth taking the extra effort to ensure a cozy resting position. Now, let's begin with the first breathing pattern. Begin to inhale into your belly for 3 seconds, and now exhale out of your belly for 3 seconds. Inhaling into your belly for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And exhaling out of your belly for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Inhaling for 3. And exhaling for 3. Continue in this way, making the breath circular, meaning no pause at the top of your inhale before you exhale, and no pause at the bottom of your exhale before you inhale. Circular breathing. 3 seconds into the belly, and 3 seconds out of the belly. Good job, just like that. Not only are you toning your diaphragm, but you are also gently massaging the lower digestive system. Good. 3 seconds into the belly, 3 seconds out of the belly. Three seconds in, and 3 seconds out. Keep the momentum going in this way. Good. Keep up the good work. We're almost at the end of this breath pattern. Let's do 3 more rounds of breath in this way before moving into our first exhale retention. So breathing in for 3 seconds. 3 seconds out of the belly. 3 seconds in. 3 seconds out. And last one, take a full 3-second breath in. And now a strong 3-second exhale, exhaling all the way, and at the end of this exhale, retaining your breath. Allow your body to relax fully here. No effort, just relaxing. And we will right away move into the next breathing pattern. So go ahead and inhale for 3 seconds into the chest and exhale for 3 seconds out of the chest. Good. 3 seconds inhaling into the chest and 3 seconds exhaling out of the chest. Once again, making the breath circular. No pauses at the top of the inhale or the bottom of the exhale. That's it. Breathing into the chest for 3 seconds and breathing out of the chest for 3 seconds. Keep up this rhythm. You are doing great. This is such a healthy exercise to tone your respiratory muscles, not just your diaphragm, but all of the little intercostal muscles between your ribs. If we predominantly take shallow breaths in our day-to-day lives, then these muscles can become weak and inflexible. Breathing into the chest in this way helps to stretch and strengthen these important muscles. And over time, if you continue with a regular pranayama breathwork practice, these muscles will become strong and flexible. And once that happens, the breath becomes a powerful ally in your health as you age. So keeping it up now, we are almost there. 3 seconds into the chest and 3 seconds out of the chest. Good. Let's take 3 more rounds of breath together. Inhaling into the chest for 3. And exhaling for 3. Inhaling for 3. And exhaling for 3. Good. Last time, breathing in all the way, filling up your chest. And now strong exhale, retaining your breath at the end of your exhale, relaxing your whole body here. Moving right away into our third and final breath pattern. Go ahead and we're going to do a 2-part breath. Inhale into your belly for 3 seconds. And right away, continue breathing in for 3 more seconds into your chest. Good. And now we take a long 6-second exhale. Exhaling all the way out. Good. Inhaling 3 seconds into your belly. Right away, 3 seconds into your chest. And now exhaling for 6 seconds. Good. Take your time here to find your groove in this new breath pattern. It may take some time for this to feel smooth. There is no rush. Just feeling how this pattern feels in your body today. Three seconds into your belly, 3 seconds into your chest, good, and long 6-second exhale. Notice if you are really finding yourself efforting. If you are, see if you can just bring some ease to this. If the 3 seconds into the belly, 3 seconds into the chest feels too long, go 2 seconds in belly, 2 seconds in chest with a 4-second exhale. In time, you will be able to increase the inhales and the exhales. Good. Keeping this breath up, we're almost there. Good. Let's do 3 more rounds of this breath pattern. Inhaling for 3 seconds into the belly. 3 seconds into the chest, filling up all the way. And now 6-second exhale, nice and smooth. Good. Inhaling into the belly, all the way into the chest. Long, strong exhale. Good. Last one. Inhaling all the way into the belly, all the way into the chest. Nice strong exhale all the way out. Once you reach the bottom of your exhale, retaining your breath. Feel all of your muscles soften and let go. Thoughts drift away. Just being here in this present moment. And now take a calm breath in and a calm breath out. Calm inhale, calm exhale. And now just allow the breath awareness to drop away. Allow your body to float and your mind to drift for these next few minutes. And now slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Notice how you are feeling. If you have the time to enjoy this deep restorative place longer, please do so. When you are ready to end this breathwork session, gently begin to wiggle your fingers and toes. Move in any way that feels good to you right now, and take your time moving back into the rest of your day. Thank you for joining me. If you found this practice helpful, consider subscribing to my channel and share with someone whom you feel would benefit. I always love to hear from you, so leave a message in the comments if you wish. Until next time, take care.